The secret to keeping your viewers engaged is to add sound effects to your videos using the Viva Video app. Whether you're looking to build tension, adding more impact to a movement, highlighting text, or simply transitioning to another scene, sound effects can engage viewers without them even knowing. I like to have a rough edit, then strategically add my sounds to key parts in the video. Viva Video Library have a range of sounds that you can use, from this to this to this. To save time, you can go through each sound and add them to your favourites. Be sure to try this out on your next video using the Viva Video app.